This is very weird. I don't. Yeah, it's kind of weird. 292 is a little bit past all that, so. Oh, it's a stupid media thing. 293. It's one more. 92. 92 seems like it's. I don't know. 292. I'm in 87. I'm like 83. I don't know if I can even park right here, but. 5397. Okay. This is so weird. This is really weird. I know. Yeah, this is really weird to me. Looking for Golden State, but I think it's that house I see. This is too out of the way, but okay. 5392. I should be at 82, so let's park, I'm guessing, over here. I don't know. I'm just gonna park over here because I have no clue. 5390. I don't see 5392. I don't see that at all. I don't see 5392, but I'm sorry, but I do not see that address anywhere. I don't see it. 5392, it's 93. This is 90, and 92 is supposed to be somewhere over here. Please answer. Oh, please answer. Please answer. I'm not playing this game. Don't tell me this is a fake address. Don't even.